Good afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon.
It's the same day. I did say we'll see you in the morning, but we got here fairly quickly. So we're going to go up to... Well, I'm going to tell you where we are first, haven't I?
Yeah. Yeah. Where are we anyway?
We are in Guadalest.
Guadalest.
It does look absolutely amazing already. The journey up was lovely. I was a bit dubious coming up here. I thought it was really high and twisty, but there's no problem at all.
No,
the roads are really good.
Good roads. Best roads we've had for ages.
Yeah, so don't panic about anything. If you want to come up here, it's an easy road up. So Rick is going to, as I said on the last vlog, fix the unfortunate damage he caused.
Yeah, never mind.
And then we're going to take a walk up to the village and see what it's all about. Don't think there's any services here. I've not checked if you can empty any water or anything like that. But if there is, I'll let you know. So Rick, you better get a move on, and then we can go and enjoy the sunshine up in the village.
Okay.
Okay.
Lunch, anyone?
I can do some lunch while you're...
That'll do me.
But I was hoping that we was going to have lunch in the village.
Oh. Well, this might have to take a bit.
We'll see how it goes anyway. There's loads of space in this car park. Tons of space. Looks like we might be alone tonight, although there is one other camper over in the corner. There's a few cars there which will probably go after today. There's one camper there, you may stay. There's lots of space because there's up another level, there's another car park up there, and then right up the top, like you can see up there, there's two huge car parks. That's full. Both of them are totally full. There's cars, and then there's space for coaches. There's a few coaches up there today, so I don't think you'll have any problem parking in here. I don't know if it's the time of year. It might get busier in the summer, I don't know, but yeah, it looks like a great spot. There's no motorhome spaces as such, so we've taken up two spaces going across the middle, and it's not level, but it's fairly level. It's acceptable. So Rick's finished his work now. It's all complete.
Can I show everyone?
Yeah. All done. A little bit tidying up to do, but it's all intact, so it will last until we get home. We're going to go off to the village now at last. The sun's going down a bit, but I'm sure we'll get a couple of hours. There's this pretty little village at the top. Looks like they've got quite a few shops here, bars, cafes, and there's a pharmacy, and there seems to be, I can see a few museums. I think there's a museum just down this street here. The most incredible in the world, it says. There's a bull ring constructed on the head of a pin, the Bible on a section of a hare, a painting by El Greco on a grain of rice, and Rubens' Three Graces carved on the point of a pencil. This looks so pretty. Nice little gift shops and cafes. And look at the backdrop. you like a new cap, Rick? Look at all
No.
these caps, look.
I'm all right, thanks.
Whoa, look down there. Torture, medieval torture museum. Do you want to go in there? Let's have a look what it is. Oh, this looks scary. Skeleton in there.
500 years old, whatever it is.
It's 500, well, it looks 500 years old, but there's no English written on there, so I can't understand. Museo Historico Medieval de Tortura. Oh no, what are you doing now? You idiot. Just look at the backdrop to this village. Stunning. What's this view like? Just view down there. Some stairs here, Rick.
Yep. Where do they lead to?
Nowhere by the looks of it.
Go on then, you might as well go up.
Whoa, it's a big drop down there. My knees have gone to jelly. Oh my God, I feel like my knees are wobbling.
There's a house up there. Up there, look.
Whoa. Time to get down.
How was that?
Stairs are not very high, but it's high up there. There's a little supermarket here.
Supermarket?
Yeah, a little mini market.
Oh, that's all right then. Oh, we've got some cakes in
So
there.
pretty.
There's quite a few people up here, isn't there?
Yeah. Local honey in there. And lots of drinks. Bodega. Bodega is it wine?
Oh, they do their own honey.
Yeah, local honey. Seems to be a few shops that selling honey.
Oh yeah. I wonder where they collect the honey then.
So they collect it.
Oh.
Fancy dress suit. Could have done with that in Benidorm, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Looks like a nice bar if it was open. Bar and pizzeria. Look at those doors. I love that sound. Seems to be lots of cafe bars down here. All unusual things in these shops. Artisan, you've got something different. These are the type of shops to go to. Ah, look at some of the Myrica pearls in here. I do like the Myrica pearls. Very nice. That looks like the castle at the top. Guadalest Castle. Guadalest village. It's a very small community. There's only around 200 people live here. So it's nice if you can buy something just to support their community. I've noticed here, it's not just a cafe or a bar. If you go in a cafe, there's also a bar as well.
Is there?
Yeah, so they're all cafe bars. So you can have an alcoholic drink, or you can have a cake and a coffee.
With an alcoholic drink.
You can have whatever you want. So, but they're all really lovely. The shops are very eclectic mix of stuff to buy. Things are different, so if you want gifts, it's a nice place to come. It's a nice sign for you, Rick.
Oh yeah.
Tea.
Nice cup of Rosie Lee.
Hello. 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 You friendly pretty cat. Gorgeous view, look at this. Beautiful. Nice little garden up here. There's a beautiful view from the back of the castle here. Shows you the little bell tower at the top. And just pan round. Some gorgeous landscape. Eventually out to sea. It's a very small village. As I said before, there's only around 200 people that live here. But it's absolutely stunning. It looks like there should be more people here. Maybe all these shops and bars are for the tourists.
Another museum here.
Built with rocks, bricks, cement, iron, wood, tiles, and with an inside arrangement like a real house. They've got doors, kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, all finished with wooden furniture, china and crockery, lit lamps, and all the utensils of a normal household. It's a museum where it goes on with trees and forests and trains.
We found a watering hole.
Yeah, we just stopped for a nice drink.
And some nuts.
And the last bit of sunshine, it's going down behind the mountain soon.
We asked for a menu and they gave us one, but I asked if they had something for Jules, a vegano. Is it vegano for vegan? And she couldn't quite understand.
But I wish we was recording because Rick was hilarious. He's going, moo, no. And then what else did you?
No.
No. Should have recorded that one.
Anyway, she managed to give us a menu, but it's only salad.
Yeah.
But we was going to give it a miss,
Salad.
but we might try.
I mean, At the end of the day, if I can't get vegan, I will have vegetarian. So we might try a Spanish omelette. And probably some fattening chips again.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, try a Spanish omelette. It depends. We don't even know what's in the Spanish omelette yet, do we?
No. It's normally all vegetables and stuff.
Well, we can ask. We probably don't need chips. There's probably potato in it as well.
Well, if you're not sure and don't want
I think
anything.
Spanish omelette is potato.
Oh yeah, with vegetables and stuff.
Well, egg. And
Yeah.
we'll have to ask what's
They're
in
not
it.
going to put meat in it, I don't think. But if you're not sure, we just ask for an egg omelette and see how we get on with
I've
that.
got a chip in my glass.
Oh, and you want chip for the omelette?
I got a chip for free. Oh, last bit of sunshine, look, it's just peeping over there.
And with that, cheers.
Where are you going? I'm not going anywhere. We were saying, this town, this village, is quite small, but it's beautiful. It's very unique.
Picturesque.
The shops, if you want a gift, you'll get something different in here. There's quite an eclectic mix of stuff in these shops.
Like you said, the bar and the restaurants.
Yeah, the bars and the cafes are combined. So you get, you look in, see a cafe with cakes and snacks, and there'll be a bar in there as well. Tomorrow, we're going to go up to the castle. The castle of Guadalest. Can't wait to go up there. It looks quite high, but we're going to go up there.
Yeah, we left it till tomorrow because of the mishap we had earlier today.
Yeah, it's a bit late now well, it is too late to go up because the sun's going down. So we're going to stay overnight. As I said, it was only €6 to stay over.
Yeah.
It's like a nice quiet car park. And we'll go and do the castle tomorrow. Yeah.
Yep, we'll do. That's fine by me.
So we'll catch you in the morning.
Until then, bye.